This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your iPhone to your Buick Envision. Connecting your device allows you to access navigation, music, and messaging directly on your vehicle's display. We will cover both wireless and wired methods, ensuring you can choose the best option for your driving experience. This integration makes every journey more convenient and enjoyable, keeping your focus on the road ahead with ease. For a wireless connection, first ensure your iPhone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are both turned on. On your Envision's infotainment screen, navigate to the Apple CarPlay option. Your vehicle will then prompt you to pair your iPhone using Bluetooth. Once paired, a confirmation message will appear on your iPhone. Simply accept it to begin enjoying a cable-free experience. To establish a wired connection, always use a high-quality, certified USB cable. Plug one end securely into your iPhone and the other into an available USB port in your Buick Envision. The vehicle's infotainment system should automatically recognize your device and prompt you to activate Apple CarPlay. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the setup and begin using your apps. If you encounter connection issues, try restarting both your iPhone and your Envision's infotainment system. For wired connections, inspect your USB cable for any signs of damage or wear, as a faulty cable can prevent proper communication. Also, ensure your iPhone's operating system is updated to its latest version. For further assistance, refer to your vehicle's owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.